Hey there. Welcome in. Go ahead and grab a seat. I'm sorry it took so long to get you in. I've had so many clients lately, but thank you for being so patient with me. Of course. So, just to get started and get you a little comfortable, my name is Beth. I have been doing this for a few years now. Um, Please let me know if you would like anything to eat or a drink. I have plenty of things for you over here. If there's anything I can do to make you more comfortable, please let me know. Okay. So since you're nice and comfortable now, we can go ahead and get started. Why don't you tell me your name? It's such a sweet name. So can I ask what made you interested in seeing a therapist? That's okay. We don't have to dive right in. How was your day? Not so good. Do you want to talk about that? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, love. No, it's okay. So you said that you're in college? Would you like to tell me a little bit about your classes? What are you taking? Oh, look at you. Trying to be a lawyer. You're so smart. Yeah, I'm sure that can be very hard on you. Do you have a lot of work to do tonight? Every night? Oh, right. Yeah, college can be rough. Why don't we ask the hard questions? So, how would you say that your childhood was? You don't have to describe it, but you can just tell me good, bad. I don't remember much. You don't remember much. Okay. Okay, just keeping notes. Um, and what would you say the best memory that you have from being a child was? Oh dear. Playing hopscotch with your friends. Hopscotch was such a fun game. Don't get nervous because I'm writing. It's okay. You poor thing. You seem to get nervous at a lot of things, don't you? You're safe with me, I promise. So, how would you say your relationship with your mother is? Oh my. I'm so sorry to hear that. Um, so she never, like, hugged you or said that she was proud of you or anything? Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. I know that, having a parent that's not really there for you can be extremely hard. Yeah, I understand that. Oh no, poor thing. I just want to run over to you and hug you right now. You want a hug? Yeah, you poor thing. You're such a sweet boy. You deserve better than that. Yeah, you should know that. Did that hug make you feel any better? Yeah? That's good. I'm glad I can help. So, would you say that you have mommy issues? You would? That's okay. A lot more people have mommy issues than you really think. So, let's see. You said she never really said that she was proud of you. I have something for you. Yeah. Mommy's so proud of you. Does that make you feel any better? Yeah. Mommy's so proud of you for doing such a good job. You're doing amazing in school. I couldn't be more happy. Look at my smart boy. Oh, I could stare at you all day. You're so handsome. Does that make you feel better, love? Yeah. Good. I just want you to feel better. I want you to feel loved. You know that you're loved, right? Don't say that. I love you. And you don't think I do? Oh, honey, the second you walked in that room, the second I laid my eyes on you, I am so obsessed with you. I can be your mommy if you want. Would you like that? I even have some extra room in my bed at home. You can't tell anyone. This stays between us, okay? Yeah? You want me to be your mommy? Good. I'd love to help you. Make you feel better. Make you feel loved. Would you like that? Yeah. Mommy loves you so much. I'm so proud of you. And you're so brave. You are. You were so brave for coming to me, for someone to talk to. I'm so glad that you ended up with me. Are you? Yeah? You like me too. I sure hope so. As your new mommy, I can only hope that you love me. Yeah. Very good. You don't have to worry about me going away or not being there for you. And I'll tell you every day how proud of you I am. And I'll give you a huge hug as soon as you walk through the door. Of course, my love. I'd do anything to help you. I'm so glad that you came in here. I'm so glad that I met you. I am. Now I get to be your mommy and treat you well. We're so excited. I'm glad that you are too. You want me to kiss you? Yeah. And mommy's kisses make you feel better. That's good. That's all I want. I just want you to feel good. Come lay on mommy's lap. I'll wrap your hair. It's okay. You can take a little nap on me. I'm the only one, okay? Lay your head on my lap, baby. There you go. Good boy. Help me to rub your head. Yeah. Oh, I love you so much. My sweet boy. I'll see you when you wake up.